Assalamu alaikum. Welcome on our channel, The Easy Arabic. Today we are going to learn how to use that in Arabic. So let us start. Dhalika. Dhalika. Zalika is a demonstrative pronoun which is used to point or refer to someone or something which is far from us, and it is used in the place of that in Arabic. Dhalika, that. Now let us learn some vocabulary. Kursiyun, kursiyun, chair. Maktabun, desk. Sarirun, bed. Babun, door. Tilfazun, television. Hatifun, telephone. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of next Arabic learning videos. Now let us practice. Zalika kursiyun, that is a chair. Zalika maktabun, that is a desk. Zalika sarirun, that is a bed. Zalika babun, that is a door. Zalika tilfazun, that is a television. Zalika hatifun, that is a telephone. That is all for today. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Bye bye. Take care.